Parents, this is Jayme Geisendorfer, your child's English teacher, and I just wanted to take a few minutes to show you how to use our classroom website because it is a large part of our classroom and how things run efficiently. So I would like you to understand how to break it down and use each step as well. So the first thing you need to do is to get to the school's webpage. And to get to our classroom website, underneath middle school, you click on teacher pages. It takes you to my name, which you click on. And then one last click, you click on the one that says click here. And now you're officially at our classroom webpage. One of the most helpful things is that on the left-hand side, there are all these direct links that take you to pages that we will be using all throughout the school year. Some of the ones that you will use the most probably are classroom links. This may look familiar to some of you because your child has been using this page quite a bit when we are blogging. So to get to their blogs, you click right here. For them to use Animoto again, which we will in the future, you click here, and any other links we use throughout the school year, this is the page that they visit. Remind 101, these are instructions on how to successfully sign up for the program, and it is my goal that all students have somebody in their family or maybe themselves sign up. That way it's easy for me to reach you about homework or activities or projects that we're working on in class, and vice versa. It's an easy way for you to communicate with me as well. Another new feature that I'm really excited about is our mini lessons tab. Anytime a child is absent, they can come here, and I have all our lessons directly on this link. So the document that they would need for the lesson, they click right here on the highlighted section, and that brings up the mini lesson paper that they will be using in class. Everything that we're going over is right here. The students are responsible for having this printed out and keeping it in their portfolio or their binder. If they're here at school, they get it handed right to them. But if they're absent, they will be expected to print this out. And it goes hand in hand. You can see there are blanks. It goes hand in hand with the actual lesson that they can go ahead and watch. So if you click on Start Prezi, it brings up the lesson and you just hit the arrow over and it takes you through the lesson. So right here it says word choice. What is it? Using descriptive words and writing. So if we look at our mini lesson, what is it? Using blank words and writing. So they can go back and forth and they can write it by hand or they can type it, but it will be their responsibility if they're absent to print this out and to complete the lesson. Now down here on mini lesson 2, you can see that they have their document that they will need, a diagramming practice sheet, and then in our parts of speech lesson, I have multiple YouTube videos that the student will need to watch to understand some of it. Let me click ahead so we can find one of these YouTube videos. And it's very simple to use because I have the YouTube videos embedded in our actual lesson video, the Prezi. So right here is one of the videos. All you do is click right here on the play button, wait a couple seconds, and the YouTube video will start to play. So the students will miss nothing when it comes to the lesson, whether it's the lesson that we're actually learning about or the YouTube videos that we're watching, for example. So please take advantage of this. If your student is going to be absent, this is where you can go. If the child maybe just didn't understand a concept and wants to go over it again, you can pull up the lessons right here and use it. All these other tabs here are great for you to use as well. I encourage you to explore our website, and if you have any questions, please feel free to call me here at the school or email me or contact me in any way. I look forward to spending the year working as a team to make our students successful.